In this video, I am going to show you how to download OnStream on your Android TV. First, ensure that your Android TV is connected to the internet and powered on. From the home screen, navigate to the Settings gear icon, typically located in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Device Preferences. From there, go to Security and Restrictions. Make sure that the option for unknown sources is enabled for the App Store you'll be using, such as Downloader or File Manager. This setting allows you to install apps not available in the Google Play Store. Now, return to the home screen and search for the Downloader app in the Google Play Store. If you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and download it. The Downloader app will help you download the OnStream APK. Once you have the Downloader app installed, open it and enter the official download link for the OnStream APK in the URL field. You can typically find this link on the official OnStream website or trusted forums. Click Go to start downloading the APK file. After the download is complete, you'll see the installation prompt. Click Install to begin installing OnStream on your Android TV. Once the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to save storage space. Finally, return to the home screen and you should find OnStream in your apps list. Launch the app and you can start enjoying your favorite content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.